I want us to understand this thing. Who an investor is, a stockbroker, Ghana Stock Exchange, and the company. Now, an investor is someone who has an interest in buying shares in a company, right? Just like you and me. We want to have ownership in a company, let's say SIC. But you are not allowed to trade directly with the company, right? Imagine thousands of people go to SIC head office to buy shares. The place will be so crowded. So what happens is, an investor, you cannot buy directly from the company, which is SIC. What you do is, you are going to find a stockbroker, someone who is licensed to trade in the Ghana stock market, right? So who is a broker? A broker is a licensed institution with the right to buy shares from a company, right? Because an investor is not licensed to buy, you cannot buy directly from the Ghana Stock Exchange or from the company. What happens is, you have to register with a stockbroker, which can be Achieve, IC, Blackstar, right? So you will now register with any of these brokers. Now the brokers will take your order and go to the stock market to buy the stocks for you. Now, so the company will also now move to the Ghana Stock Exchange, and the Ghana Stock Exchange would authorize them to sell the shares in their market, right? So it can authorize them to sell 1 million shares, right? So they will now bring the 1 million shares here to sell. You get it? Now let's understand what the Ghana Stock Exchange is. The Ghana Stock Exchange basically is a marketplace, an official marketplace for the trading of stocks. Just like you want to buy onions or any vegetable, you can go to Makola Market, you can go to Kejetia or Aboabo Market. The same way, if you want to buy shares, you need to go to the stock market, which is the Ghana Stock Exchange, to buy the stocks, right? But in this case, you cannot go directly. You need to go with a broker, someone who has license and is highly regulated. You understand? So from today, we know who a stockbroker is, and we know who the Ghana Stock Exchange is.